Welcome to this short presentation video where I will share a school project with you. It is Pilehaveskolen, which is in Vallensbæk, that's nearby Copenhagen in Denmark. What we had to do for a year ago was to change all the lighting to LEDs. We have supplied some of the lighting, and our colleague in the business have also supplied some of the lighting. That was quite of a challenge because a lot of the lighting was really old fluorescent tubes and also incandescent bulbs actually. So what we did was mainly that we was looking into all these different existing luminaires, and then we have chosen some luminaires which could be used for both giving the great environment they wanted, but also the great energy saving, which is also achievable through LED lighting. What is worth to mention when it comes to schools is that changing to LEDs is really good for the kids and younger people who are in school because it gives some better lighting. There is quality of light for sure, and there is also energy efficiency. Now, when it comes to LEDs, not in this project, but for instance and in general, then you are also able to have the tunable white system where you can go from a warmer light up to a colder light, and that will really affect the kids and younger people in school, and that's something which should maybe be considered in a new project, school project, and also in renovation projects. Now, this is just a smaller project, but let's go inside and see how the project went.